Today's the day. No more wheels. Straight real prep.
The wheels were real prep.
One more week. And this will be put through its ringer. And so will the rest of your car.
I really think this is good, yeah.
Let me see.
This is too much work trying to clean this completely off.
So did you figure out what you're gonna do? Are you gonna put it in today?
I watched one video. The dude opened it up because he wanted to make sure it was welded. Then he filled it right back up, sealed it, and then went drifting the same day.
Oh. I mean,
that's what I'm thinking. Like it's probably gonna take me another 2, maybe 3 hours to fully get that out and get this in.
that should be enough time.
That should be more than enough time.
Yeah. Oh shit!
Oh yeah.
It's coming?
Yeah.
It's coming? Ah!
This is not the time to call me. I'm not picking up whoever that is because I'm trying to get this shit off. Can you make sure I'll hold the other end of the sway bar?
And then?
Let me get this back up so we can catch it just in case.
What was the wood for?
I don't know, just to be soft, but fuck it, man. It's just an open differential. Getting those drive shaft bolts on is gonna be a bitch. How did Gerald do this? Can you jiggle your side?
Yeah. And
bolts just to get it out.
hold on, let me look at your axle so it's not catching.
Dude, it's right there. Oh, there's not enough space to grab. Yeah, there's not enough space to grab that one. Oh, okay. It's just, this is just wiggle city now. I think I pried it as much as I could. Let me back up.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're getting Oishi. Wait, we gotta put the new one back in. Oh shit.
Dude, this thing is so loose now.
Hold on, let me try something. Actually, fuck the fucking tool. Here, go.
What?
It's fucking out. I just took it out with my hands.
Is it out really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So look, we're not.
Oh my god, it's out.
Yeah, I told
Holy
you.
shit. Okay, can you? I'm holding the diff.
And
Can
then?
you? No. Can you come out and drop the?
I can come out.
Can you drop the jack? Because I don't want to let go of the diff yet.
Pal, we did it. We're getting Oishi Burger. Michael's paying.
But he owes you money. And I owe Patrick too.
What do you want me to do?
Just lower the diff. The jack. Essentially lower the diff. Oh my god. Okay.
How? Oh my god! Someone shit themselves.
Keep on lowering it. Oh my god. Okay, hold on, wait. Now jack it back up. Okay, you're good, you're good. Oh my god.
Got it?
Yeah. Go ahead and lower it. Lower the jack. Just drop it. Oh, it's out.
Oh my god! We gave
Pull it.
birth
You can pull
to
it.
an open diff.
Pull the jack out. Oh my god, dude. Fuck it.
Look at this ugly baby. Do we have to put in your new one?
Dude, it's just get it out the way now. But this is a fucking victory.
Yeah, should we all like celebrate with Oishi now?
Holy shit, what time is it?
It's time for to go to Oishi.
It's 6:25. We can get this on in an hour. The new one on.
7:30, and
Yeah,
then
I'm not gonna
clean
drive
at
it.
8.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna take a shower. Yeah, shit.
Ugly ass. What are you gonna do with that? Sell it or keep it?
I'm keeping it. just in case if I get tired of weld and I don't.
You know how hard it was to take this diff out? You're not gonna be able.
Well, so no, now that it's been disconnected once,
Oh.
finally, it should be just a little easier. But look at that fucking, look at that, dude. It was mated on. It was. Alright, let's go get the.
Alright, Patrick, we're gonna go.
There we go.
Here's the beautiful kid.
Not even. It's a 293. It's still ugly. It's just welded.
Yeah, which makes it less ugly. 720?
Because it's literally just putting it back.
Alright, don't jinx it, let's go.
Okay, Pat. Send her in. Jesus Christ.
You're nutty.
Okay, you're good. Push in a little more. Pause.
No,
keep
pause.
going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Jack it up some. Oh shit, brother. Hold on.
And then fuck right in the pussy.
Hold on. Joe, I might need your help for this.
Oh, hell no. Okay. Patrick, jack it up some more. Oh god.
There you go. Push it. Alright. Alright, now Pat. Yeah. I love you.
Oh, my arms! Yeah, push right there because that. Oh, baby!
Oh, that almost took my skin off. Okay. Keep jacking, Pat. Ew, pause.
Oh, baby!
Make sure that.
Oh, it's in there.
Okay. This is gonna be the tough part.
Oh no!
Line up. It should be those ones. Okay. Push it in more.
Who?
The differential. We need to push it in.
Me?
More. Yeah, because it's like not where it's supposed to be.
Okay.
At. Jack it up a little more, Pat. Oh my God! Wait. Go back.
You didn't think I was that strong. But I am.
Hold on. All right.
Back some more.
Try to push it slowly. No. Because I'm trying to line up
slowly,
the holes.
like this. Oh.
I'm trying to line up all 4 holes. Wait.
Oh, that's too much.
Hold on, no, leave it right there.
I'm kidding. Ironic.
Push it.
Who, me?
Yeah. Push it.
Slow?
Push it more or slowly.
Like this.
Hold on. Just leave it
Am I
there.
in?
No, not. One's in. 2 is in. The 2 left ones aren't in.
Oh, so push out. All right. It is dark. We're hungry. Grumpy. But now he's welded.
Finally. Second to last thing for Spirit. The last thing I need to do, or I mean, just a little like quick bolt check. Not bolt check, but I need a fire extinguisher.
Oh shit! You got Amazon.
Yeah, I need to go get that done. So.
And that's it.
Spirit, I'm coming next week.
Hopefully this car can handle all these clutch kicks.
I know, right? Clutch don't go out. That's the next job. That's the next
clutch
job.
goes out on your the Donny pad.
Yeah.
Didn't even hit main course.
No, I don't even think I'm hitting the Donny pad, honestly. I'm cool on that.
He's gonna hit the Donny pad in the streets.
Nah, the Donny pad is the streets. That's what I've just been doing. But that's why this week I'm probably gonna take some time.
And hit the Donny pad.
Go do some hoonigan shit. Okay, dude. Whoa. Once I clean up, I'm good.
And then we get to celebrate with food.
Yeah. And I'll text my boss. Say,
I quit.
yeah. I appreciate the salary opportunity. Like, I really fucks with that.
Ready to see what this looks like. That's a lot of grease. Good. I want all that grease.
That's a big pizza. That shit.
You got sour cream?
Winnie, do we have sour cream?
I don't think so.
Fuck.
Cream cheese.
That's not the same. It's okay.
Sorry, I thought we had.
This is what victory looks like.
What if I missed that?
We did all win.
All compass open.